Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everyday makeup. Looks that highlight your true, natural beauty. We're enhancing what you've got, not masking it. Let's get started. First, the no makeup look. Perfect for when you want to look polished but still feel like yourself. Start with light, hydrating foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone without looking cakey. Next, spot conceal any blemishes or redness with a creamy concealer. Blend it in. For your eyes, mascara is all you need, focusing on the roots. A clear brow gel shapes your eyebrows. Finish with hydrating lip balm or tinted lip oil. This look is all about a fresh, dewy complexion. Next, the sun-kissed look, creating a warm glow. Start with the same base, light foundation or tinted moisturizer and spot concealing. Then, grab your bronzer and apply it to the areas where the sun naturally hits forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Blend. Add blush to the apples of your cheeks. Peach and coral for fair skin, berry and rose for deeper tones. Finish with highlighter on cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. This look is about radiance. Now, the effortless everyday eye look. Simple, yet impactful eye makeup. Prime your eyelids. Choose a neutral eyeshadow, like light brown or taupe, and apply it all over. Use a slightly darker shade in the crease. Blend. For eyeliner, use a brown or dark gray pencil, lining your upper lash line and smudging it out. Add mascara, perfect for everyday wear. Lastly, the bold lip look. For making a statement, start with light foundation and concealer. Keep eye makeup simple with mascara. Then, choose your bold lip color. Apply lipstick with a lip brush for precision. Blot and reapply for long-lasting color. This look is about confidence. Makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. Experiment and find what works for you. These looks are starting points, customize them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.